Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change your password in Zoho Books. This is useful for keeping your account secure and maintaining privacy. So the first thing that you will have to do once you've logged into your Zoho Books account, you will just have to go to your settings, and once you're here, if you've already logged in, you should see this option right here, which is users and roles users and roles. So you should see that if you've already logged in. So basically what you will have to do once you see users and roles, you will just have to click that, and then you will go to your profile, and then once you go to your profile, what you will have to do is you will look for that change password. So it should be right here if you've logged in. And then what you will have to do is just click that, and then you will enter your current and new password. And of course, you do have to enter the new password twice for confirmation, and then once you're done, you will just have to save changes. And yeah, that's basically how you can change your password in Zoho Books. And thank you so much for watching this video, and if you did find it helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.